Nike community store out in Watts. We got balling on a budget. Let's go. All right, let's look around, see what's going on. One of my favorite section, back wall right here. 40% off. 40% off. Holy cow! And they do have refurbs. Getting these HKOs for pretty much $80. Holy crap! Under $80 actually. Wow. Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. 150, so that's under 100 bucks. More AJKOs right here, by the way. I'm in the size 10, 10 and a half. So 120 for these. Zoom SD4s. I think these are indoor soccer shoes. Dang, I could have used these for my kiddo. I think $43, gently worn. LeBron size 7 in the wrong area right here. $100 for those, so 60 bucks for LeBrons. Trainer ones right here, down to $80. These are 10 and a half. Hoping to find some dope refurbs. Not really happening. 150 for these. These are size 11. Yeah, 40% off. Yeah, I talked to one of the workers. I was like, is that every Nike outlet? And he said, no, not really. Damn, that's what's up. I'm looking up there, trying to see if I can find something. These 40% off. If these are 2 bills, I dropped these down to 120. That's what I've been seeing. Oh, they got the tan ones right here. These are too big, size 11. These are $80, size 11. Holy cow. That drops these down to like what, 50 bucks? Holy cow. Yeah, these for 50 bucks probably would be worth it. I did check. I didn't want to ask one of the workers, but I did scan it and check to see if they had any other size. Nope. Nope. Invincible Run Flyknits right here, 190. 54.30 off. Was that? Was that 40 bucks? 40 bucks or something like that? Zoom Freak 5s. Yeah, these are size 12. Not your 12 though. These are size women's size. Yeah, they had the AJKOs over there. Phantom React Flyknit 2s going for 90. Size 13, get a Monarch for free, pretty much $40, 40% off. Holy cow, what's that, $24? Jordan 1 logo, this is size 14 though. Lift-offs, get these for hella cheap, but $36 for these. That's after the discount. What the hell are these? Air Forces, size 14, 120 for those. Cortez is going for 90. 90 for the Blazers right here, size 14s. Not seeing anything too crazy so far. Size 15, 85 for these. And these are like size 18s or something like that, right? Yeah, size 18s go for 100. So $60 after the savings. Checking out the smaller sizes. Frank is wondering about those Zoom Freaks. I think he said 38 bucks. I was like, I don't think this is right. 140. But yeah, that's a size 5, dude. But yeah, 140, you do get an extra 40 off. 7.5 right here. GT Jump 2s down to 90. So is that like 55 bucks? Nike by You Zoom Freaks going for 78. Gently worn. LeBron Next Gen's down to 90. This is a size 9. Next Nature is going for $75 right here. Gently worn. These are 9.5. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. Like these are the latest iteration of the Vaporflies. So yeah, if you can get 40% off of these, that is just hella cheap. Holy crap, these are number what, 250-ish? 250. Came back to the size 9, 9.5. See if there's anything worth getting for my kiddo. All right, there is plenty to show you guys in the aisles. 21s, LeBron 21s, that is. Next Gen's right here. Witness 7s. Got a trio of these. Black and white right here. Apparently I can't speak. This is the one that Frank was looking at. Is it worth it? It's like 30, what, 38, I think that's what he said. Immortality 2s. All black right here. Volt. Barely Volt, that is. Katie Tray 5.9s. Trio of these. Third one right here. Like I said, quartet of these. Cosmic Unity 2s. Hyperdunk 2017. Lows right here. That's the cheapest we've seen those. They're going to continue to fall because they got plenty of sizes. Jordan 1 Low OGs. We have seen these. Got a few spots for cheaper. Jordan 1 Low Golf. Got some SE lows right here. Center courts. Cheaper at some of the retail shops, but pretty decent price. Twos, a couple of them, 3 of them. We'll just continue. Got some 7s right here. Airspans right here. Airspan 2s. Blazers. Air Force One highs. 2017s. Another one of those. Vapor Max Pluses. 270s. Another one right here. 2021s. Air Trainer 1s. Check out some apparel. Still got the Trey Lance jerseys, 30% off. Pretty wild looking shirt right here, going for 30. The Awake New York shirt right here, these are going for 60. Holy cow. XL. UCLA baseball jersey, $90. Looking for apparel, but lately the apparel section's been pretty whatever. Do got an Ohio State sweatshirt right here, $70. That's a small. Dang, 70 and then you get 30 off. I guess you get a little discount. But to be honest, not really much. 100 and it's marked down to 100. I guess you get the 30 off. Yeah, there's just not much to show y'all in the apparel section. Checking the women's section, especially the refurbs, and just not really finding much. I was hoping to find something 10.5, 11. Just not much. I'm sure word spread pretty quick this morning about this. But yeah, I do got some Nike by You Air Max 1s right here. Okay, 180 for these. These are size 12, 10 out men's. Got one of these in the women's section right here. Says 11 men's, 12.5 women's, $90. Hoping to find a refurb of one of these. These would be dope. The Invincible Run Flying at 3s going for 185. Dang it. Got some Sabrinas right here, size 8 men's, 9.5 women's, down to 130. Pretty sure that's the regular price. Ice shods. These are obviously a men's. So $58. Ooh, here's a refurb, but not the size I need. Size 7.5 men's, $90. So 40% off. That brings that down to what, $54? 54 bucks. That's not bad. That's probably the cheapest we've ever seen those. Got these in the smaller sizes, size 6 women's, 160. Vaporfly Next Percent, size 6 women's, 125. Super small. Got some size 8s right here. These ain't bad. Size 8 women's. And then in the kids sizes right here, look at this. Look at this. Dude got the Kobe Venice. The Kobe 8 Venice Beach right here. That's not bad. That's not bad. These are toddlers. These are grade school too. Oh, it's size 3, so it's a preschool. I'm in the kids section. Look at this preschool size 3, $40 for, or $90. Did you get 40% off? That is kind of crazy. Grade school right here, $90 for these. You have to get 40% off Jordan 2s. Pretty dope. There's another one right here. Yeah, 140. Immortality 2s, $39. That's pretty much free after the 40% off. Got Jordans here in a grade school. Size 5Y right here, 120 for those. Some Roshis right here, $45. Dunk Low Next Nature. These are women's. Women's 11, 115. Checking those out. Alright, see what's going on in the women's aisles right here. You got the reverse laney ones. Got these. And we've talked about it. Don't have the best sizes. You know, like these, they only have up to size 8 women's. Those, they only have up to size 7.5 women's, I think. But yeah, the Alma Maniers right there. Up to size 9 women's for those. These, they have plenty. They have up to size, what, 10.5? That's only size 9 men's, though. Got Roshis, if y'all into Roshis. Always got plenty of blazers. Some of them are on sale, some of them are not. Air Force One mids. Did someone forget to drink the rest of their Starbucks? Wasted like $6 on their Starbucks. 90s right here, 270s. More Air Force One mids, some dunks. Then Air Max Theas. That's pretty much about it. I walked around the whole spot. I'm like, you still here? I forgot you did a short. I saw you change your thing. You did a short. Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys check out Ballinonabudget channel. He has shorts. He also makes long form videos as well. They do have the Mamba shirts, and these are pretty dope, but the quality is just so mediocre. It's just a regular Nike t-shirt. Like some of the Kobe stuff. Like it's like really nice material. But yeah, man, this is kind of whatever, dude. And they charging $40 for those. Saw one of the workers bring LeBron jerseys. Whoa, $36. Yo, I'm gonna have to get one. Cause look at the price. $36. Then you get another 30 off.
This one 30?
Yeah. So $36. That's gonna be like 20. What? 22?
25.
25? Oh yeah, $25. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to grab one of these. That's just too cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy these. That's just too cheap. Too cheap. And I had to hit up the homie Bossco, the biggest LeBron fan around, getting him one as well. These are just too cheap. I think it's like $27 after tax. Oh damn, dog. That's just too cheap. Oh, Frank trying on some sneakers. You know what that means? That means he's thinking about it. It's not as good as this deal, though. It's not as good as this deal. His deal, it's all right, but it's not as good as this deal. And then the last food stop we had to stop by. Gotta stop by Roscoe's, right? Roscoe's? I have not had Roscoe's chicken and waffles in so long. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I haven't been here. I was telling Frank, I think I've been here like 10 years. Holy crap. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna die of a heart attack, but man, there's so much butter on that waffle, dude. And that chicken is the moistest chicken I've ever had in my life. All right, that's what I remembered about this part. The chicken just being hella moist. Wow, and even the syrup comes nice and warm. Like, god dang, dude, this is so good. This is so good, so worth it. I think this is what, $23.50 or something. Yeah. So worth it. So freaking worth it, bro. Damn. Going to Hollywood Boulevard. Frank's like, what? Why are we walking diagonal? What's going on here? We did not make it to the Foot Locker in time, but you know, it is what it is. We did have. Damn, them waffles are fucking good. I'm still thinking about that, but yeah, this showing him the Foot Locker. We're gonna see a couple other things. Of course, we had to check out the Dolby Theater. Everything's closed, but at least we could look at stuff. We tried to check the Hollywood side. It's not lit, so don't go to the Hollywood side at night. Just FYI. I had no clue, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My bad. My bad, Frank. Checking out some of the stars. Victoria's Secret models, they have one? Or the Angels? I wasn't aware. Dodgers, one right there. Halle Berry right here. Nicole Kidman. Spielberg. Jamie Foxx. So picking up his Jordans, you're gonna have to see what he got because it was just way too cheap. Holy crap, that was crazy, super dope.
Yeah. Super cool kicks for his hospitality, taking me around LA. It's my first time being here. All the food spots we ate at, everything he recommended was on point. All the stores we went to and shot and vlogged, legit. All the people he introduced me to, real ones. Salute to the cool, bro.
Appreciate you, brother. Hey, man, you showed hospitality when I was out in Orlando, and you know what I'm saying? So, I had to repay with that hospitality, and yeah, definitely appreciate, we'll see each other. We'll do stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, good luck to where you're going. I'm not even going to tell these fools where you're going. I'm f***ing jealous. I'm so f***ing jealous. You're going to have to let me know what you get. Fuck, dude, I'm so jealous. Nike Watts Community Store back wall. Definitely worth the stop. Might have something that you might like, because I don't know how many other Nike outlets got 40% off this weekend, because not always easy to find something for 40% off, but if you find something on the back wall this weekend, they have refurbs here, so if you find something on the wall that's a refurb, you can almost get it for free. Not bad. So yeah, I don't think all the other Nike outlets have this deal. Definitely worth the stop. Nike Outlet Watts. And you won't even believe this. Holy crap, $36. You get another 30% off. Are you serious? You serious? They got a few sizes, medium, large, XL.